Hey, this is for folks who are having trouble with child's pose or down dog because of a shoulder injury, and teachers, you're welcome to use this as well. So, a couple of amendments for you. Sometimes when the hands are that shoulder distance wide, as we do often for child's pose and down dog, as the arms come forward, it causes some compression through the joint, especially if there's some damage and you're getting pain in there. So here's a couple ways to modify this. Number one, you can bring the elbows back underneath the shoulders. It allows the shoulder girdle to draw back and relax here, so there's not so much pressure, and you can still enjoy the benefits of child's pose. If you do want to take the arms out straight, instead of keeping them so close together, walk them out a little wider than your shoulders towards the edges of your mat, and make sure that the triceps are rolling under. So palms rooted, triceps rolling under, which is gonna help to draw the shoulder blades away from the ears and create space through this area right here. So maybe creates a little more freedom for you. Then for down dog, you do the exact same thing. Just keep the hands out a little wider. Again, root the palms, wrap the triceps under as you're coming up, and see if that helps to alleviate the issue, which sometimes happens when you're this way. These shrug up and the chest shoves back. So open them, wrap the triceps, keep that collarbone area nice and wide, and see if that gives you some relief. I'm Janine from Slow Body Yoga Inspired Fitness. We'll see you again real soon.